Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find your Finch history. Finch is a mental wellness and self-care app designed to help users build healthy habits and improve their overall well-being. Virtual pet that grows and thrives as you complete self-care activities such as mood tracking, journaling and mindfulness exercises. Sometimes you may not be able to keep up with your self-care routine, and tracking your progress is an important part of self-care, and Finch make it easy to see your history. Your Finch history show your completed activities, mood, interests and self-care streaks, helping you understand your progress over time. And let's go through how to access it step by step. So first you need to unlock your iPhone. First you need to open to your Finch app and make sure you are logged into your account so that all your past data is visible. And from the home screen you can tap on this top left corner of your icon, and once you reach into this profile menu, scroll a bit down, or you can simply find it in this history just beside the newsletter. Over here, once you open it, you can view a timeline of your completed tasks, mood check-ins and any achievements or streak you have earned. You can scroll day by day or filter by activity type depending on what you want to check, and that's how you access your Finch history. Regularly checking your history helps you stay motivated, track your growth and see the progress you're making with your self-care habits. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.